Guys, so good morning, guys. It's 8 to the what's up, you guys. We're gonna go shopping soon. So that's what's going on. If you guys don't know, my mom passed away last year. It's kind of sad, but that's okay. We move forward sometimes, and we just think of good times. So that's what's going on. And guess what we found at the grocery store? We got some colorful broth cauliflower, you guys. Yeah, we have purple cauliflower, green cauliflower, orange cauliflower, green cauliflower? I mean, white cauliflower? Which is kind of weird. Guys, Grace and me are hanging out right now. Woo! Hi. So that's what we are doing, hanging out. Hey guys, I just got done the stream and we are going to clean upstairs, so that's what's going on. You guys, we are having, it's not really roast beef, it's pork beef.
Pork roast.
Pork roast. Potatoes and carrots, you guys. It looks so good. So right now, you guys, we up in the 6th tier shelving unit together. So that's what's going on. So let's get building the 6th tier. There's a fan shot. Hey guys, I'm getting changed video. I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up. And
my hair is gonna dry up like a frizz ball tomorrow. Comment down below and buy human beings.
And we are watching Diary of Different Kids. So that's what we're doing.
In the dark.
Yep, in the dark.
Scandalous.
Dark room.
No.
So that's what we're doing.